The cabinet meeting, which according to sources we are learning, will be coming out with an ordinance on MSP. Well, that's clearly on the agenda is what NDTV is learning. Well, is the government planning next set of climb downs on the farm law? That's the big question. NDTV also learning that government actions are planned and sources tell us that various formulations are being worked on as well. This includes exempting states like Punjab, Haryana and UP as well. Exclusion from certain provisions of the farm laws as well. Proposals which have not yet been finalized but will be taken up in court. Sunil Prabhu explains the details.
This will definitely be discussed at the cabinet level in terms of whether there is a tweaking that is required. Some of the points, formulations have been worked out by bureaucrats as well as the ministerial panel which has been talking with the farmers. One of the options to break that farmers' unity and the kind of protests that have taken place is to assure the demand that had been made in terms of the minimum support price, which is an extremely emotive issue for the farmers of Punjab, Haryana and Western Uttar Pradesh. And it's in that context that they're looking at the possibility of exempting those states from these farm laws if required. The formulations, as I said, is top secret. This will be taken up as a table item if it is discussed, if there is a further clarity. So we'll have to wait for that cabinet meeting to get over. But nevertheless, these formulations are being worked out at this present stage to take stock of the situation, given the fact that those protests have not yet and have gone into the third week and have refused to relent, and they still continue the demand for repealing of these farm laws.